Good day, Mom and Sir. It's my pleasure to introduce to you. My name is Cordelisa De Vera, 22 years of age, Sito from Philippines. I am the youngest child in the family. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. In my 4 years experience of household in 2016 from 2020 here in the Philippines, I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and taking care of 2 children, 6 years old boy and 5 years old girl. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and dedicated to my work, and I'm also willing to learn and do my best to the task that's given to me to my future employer. If you hire me, I promise that I will do my job well, duties and my responsibilities. I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. I hope you miss me as your